The question says that a polythene piece rubbed with wool is found to have a negative charge of 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Estimate the number of electrons transferred from which to which. Is there a transfer of mass from wool to polythene? So we see that when polythene piece was rubbed with wool, it gained negative charge. That is, the electron from wool transferred to the polythene piece. So this part of the question is estimate the number of electrons transferred from which to which. So from which to which, we already know that if polythene becomes negatively charged, then the wool must lose those electrons to give polythene the extra electrons. Thus it became negatively charged with a magnitude of 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So we have to find out number of electrons. We know that charges are quantized, so we can express charges with an integral multiple of the elementary charge particles, and elementary charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and here we are dealing with the negative charge. So the transfer of electrons is from wool to polythene. Now if we have to find out number of electrons transferred, then we can divide the total charge transferred divided by the elementary charge, then we will get the total number of electrons transferred, and thus it's of value 1.88 into 10 to the power 12 electrons. Now we also have to find out, is there any transfer of mass from wool to polythene? So this number of electron has been transferred, so there must have been some mass transfer also taken place. Now if we find out the mass that has been transferred, we get the value of 1.71 into 10 to the power minus 18 kg.